Hi, my name is Jeremy Eisen, and this is my PowerPoint from my term project. For the game summary, the object of the game is simply to get your character from the bottom of the screen to the top of the screen. My first story, as a gamer, I want to press the start button so that I can begin playing the game. As a gamer, I want to be able to move the player using the 4 arrow keys or WSAD so that I can navigate the player on the game's screen. As a vehicle, I want to appear at different fixed Y positions and travel horizontally in either direction so that the player must dodge in order to pass. As a vehicle, I want to travel at different speeds so that the user must adjust their travel in order to dodge. As water, I want to remain in a constant position so that logs can travel back and forth horizontally. As water, I want to cause the user to disappear or drown if the user travels into it, so that the user will have consequences for the wrong action. As a log, I want to appear at different vertical positions that travel horizontally in either direction, so that the logs appear to be traveling with the current. As a log, I want to allow the player to jump on the object, so that the player can travel using the log. As a starting line, I want to have a fixed starting position so that whenever the player starts the game or dies, then he will be reset to that starting point. As a finish line, I want to have a set goal so that the player knows the object of the game and has somewhere to be aiming at. Now this one's like for whenever I complete the level, I just want a new level to show up that's more difficult with more objects. This is so that the player can play more than one match. Just have additional progress to complete. And that's the end of my PowerPoint.